ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday. Let it go. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Only you hold the key to your true potential. Don't ignore your own potential. When there is a will, there is a way. Work until your idols become your rivals. Action takers are the money makers. My goal is not to be better than anyone else, but to be better than I used to be. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. It's hard to sleep when you have a clear vision. So this is the vision that makes your work towards your success. Your hobbies should include no time for bullshit. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. Focus and don't let anything come between you and your goals. Always be stronger than your excuses. Never give up. Find a way to make it happen. Winners are not the people who never failed, but people who never quit. The future depends on what you do today. You can't get much done in life if you only work on days when you feel good. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Don't give up. The hardest battles are given to the strongest soldiers. Keep this in your mind that you will never be criticized by someone who is doing more than you. You will only be criticized by someone doing less than you. Sacrifice today so you don't have to compromise tomorrow. Don't slave a 9 to 5 just to make someone else richer. Work towards being your own boss and making yourself richer. This is how entrepreneurs be like. Be a game changer as the world is already full of players. Once you succeed, reality will be better than your dreams. According to the facts, 70% of people who start a plan quit, except you, and have the thought, not this time, in your mind.